1, 2, 3. Hello, what's up guys? By the way, this is Jay Versilita from Gadget Co Review Finny version. So guys, good morning everyone. So before anything else, I would like to say thank you to all my new subscribers, all my viewers. So maraming salamat. And for today's vlog, I just really want to unbox this new power tool from Titanium Power, which is a new power tool in the market today. So I'm very excited about this power tool. So this is 20 volts cordless electric hammer drill. So this tool, it's almost I got it today, so I'm so excited. So guys, we're gonna open this one. Here we go. So guys, I'm so excited with this power tool since I saw it in the Lazada. So this is a German technology power tool, and I know that this tool is branded, and I know it's, see. So guys, so this is the Titanium power cordless electric drill. So the function for this one is already a hammer drill. So guys, we're gonna open this one. Okay. So this one's guys. So I don't know how to open this one. Here. So the case guys, the hard case, it's very sturdy. The plastic is very sturdy, and astig, napaka-astig tingnan. So it's ang build up niya, it's very sturdy. So we're gonna open this one, so we'll see what's inside. So this one guys. So the package is include manual, included also the one screw bit and one screw bit guys. So it's for free, and the promotional t-shirt guys. So Titanium Power, thank you for this amazing item and for this freebies. So enough for that. So here we go guys. So this is the Titanium Power electric drill. So it is a hammer already guys. So we're gonna use this one. So we're gonna, it can be useful for concrete drilling. So since this is a hammer, so guys, this electric hammer guys, this is not so heavy, and the wonderful thing for this guys, or the wonderful bonus for this one, if you buy this item, it is included the two batteries. There are two included batteries. This one guys, included two batteries. this one. So compared from another branded cordless electric drill, so you will gonna buy the charger and the battery separate. So good thing for this item, it is included already the charger and the two batteries. Okay. So guys, we're gonna try this one. So this is very powerful. See? So it has you can control the spin or the torque, guys. So you can change it from 1 to 2. So good thing also for this cordless drill, it has a LCD lead, so it's a bonus, guys. See? So guys, if you want to buy this titanium power cordless drill, so in the package it is included the two batteries, two batteries. So when the other one is in low battery, so here you go, there's a replacement. So you're always on the go, guys. So no one can stop you for doing your DIY project. You're always on the go. And here there's also a charger and a manual. There you go, guys. There's a manual and the 3 screw bit and the previous for this is a titanium power white t-shirt. So titanium power. So thank you for this amazing freebie. So that's it. Guys. So this is the unboxing of titanium power cordless drill, and just watch out for my next video. I'm gonna try this one, so I will make another vlog for this. We're gonna try this in a concrete drill, metal drilling, and wood drilling. So we're gonna try this one, guys, if it is durable, if it is the performance is good or it's functional. So we're gonna try that one. And by the way, this is Jay Barcelita from Gadget Co Review Pinoy version. And guys, if you want to my first impression for this cordless drill, since I did not try this one in an actual DIY project, for me, this power tool, guys, is very amazing. It's very great. It's very amazing. And look at the plastic, guys. It's very sturdy. So I know this is not just like an ordinary cheap cordless drill. This is a German technology power tool. So I know this is durable. Look at the color, guys, the style, and the battery. So it's a bonus already. So I bought this in Lazada in a reasonable, and it's a very reasonable price, guys. So you're gonna love it. If you want to buy this one, I know you're gonna amaze for this wonderful product of titanium power. This one, guys. So just a quick review. So you're gonna, this one is this is the control of the speed. So this is the adjuster, and this is the function, guys. So this tool is included already the hammer used for a concrete drilling. So this for screw and for drilling and for hammer drilling, guys. Usually we're gonna use this one for a concrete drilling, so using a concrete drill also. So here we go, one complete or sturdy made power tool electric drill, cordless, and 2 batteries and freebie, manual, and charger, and most of all, guys, this wonderful sturdy case. So it's made of plastic, but it's very sturdy, guys. It's very hard case, so this one's very good. And I'm really amazed with this wonderful product of Titanium Power. So that's it for the unboxing of the cordless electric drill from Titanium Power. So watch out for my next video, and I just want to test that one in a concrete, metal, and wood drilling. So watch out, guys. And by the way, this is Jay Barcelita from Gadget Co Review, Pinoy version.